Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljeet from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to install air push button switch for garbage disposal in the kitchen. I don't have any room here where I can install on-off switch like a regular switch, so I decided to go with the push button switch. And I also have a hole here. I don't need any soap dispenser or anything, so I'm going to install air switch. I have a bar already, and that's the cheapest one. This one need a little bit more electrical work. As you can see, you can buy a little bit better one if you don't know anything about the electrical, because that switch is cost you about like a $40. The one I bought it is just for $12. So what's gonna happen, this one I need to make some bud connectors underneath with my receptacle. There's one switch you can buy, it comes with everything, little plug. You can receptacle, you can install you can plug in your garbage disposal in a receptacle, and that cord you can plug in other power receptacle. But in this video I have to do some electrical work. If you want to do you can do that one. So simply, when you open this package, inside the package you will get most of the stuff. We have a little switch, chrome. I bought one for my sink, matching with it. Gonna go over here. All the process of the way we do, we're gonna put some putty around and tie this one. And this switch, this hose goes underneath, then the other end of a hose goes to the switch. Here we go. I have a switch and everything. So basically what's gonna happen, there's a little switch here. So anytime pressure goes in, this is gonna be like a close. When you press it again, it's gonna release pressure, it's gonna open. So we need to make some bud connectors over here. I have some. We're gonna make some pigtails, put these connectors like here. And these one are gonna go tie with the receptacle, where we know we have like a receptacle especially for garbage disposal. And it's either way you can do. There's only two connections. You can put one common. It says this one common, like a power coming in goes here, and this one load, power goes out to your receptacle. That's all you have to do. I'm not gonna go to detail like with the how to wire up a receptacle, but you have a receptacle, neutral wire goes to the receptacle, then hot wire comes over here, then goes back to the other prong of your receptacle. That's all. And the length, you can cut it according to your need. First, I'm gonna install this switch, this piece, the push button thing, then I will install that one on the bottom. Pretty simple. You unthread it. It already comes with the gasket. Here we go. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of putty over here. Like I have a plumbing putty here. It doesn't matter what brand, but we're gonna put this one, and then I'm gonna tie it over here. So with the putty, I just made a tube like that. You can put as much you want. When we're gonna tie it, it's gonna squeeze out and you can clean it out. So I'm gonna start putting from one side like that, and just gonna spin all around. Whatever the extra, I'm gonna take it off, put it back. And this piece, I'm gonna put on a top and just press firmly on the center. At the bottom, we're gonna put this nut and tie it. So now I have installed this switch. It was pretty simple. It's hard to make a video behind the sink because the nut we are tying is behind the sink. But now I'm ready to make a connection. I have a garbage disposal connected here, and I have two pigtails out. One is hot, black is a line, and the red is load. And this side I have connected. I haven't cut air hose yet, but once I have make sure everything ready, I will cut it. So now I'm going to put my common lead at the bottom and load on here. And we can put tape here, or you can have another box, put it inside the box. And I will put it here with the zip tie or something, and then I will cut extra length of this hose. That's all you have to do. You will press button and this machine is ready to use. Your garbage disposal will be ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.